Dividing fractions. So in order to divide fractions, you're actually going to end up multiplying fractions. So the rule is, what we do is we leave the first fraction as it is. We're going to change it into multiplication sum, and the second fraction is going to go upside down like so. And then we simply do as we would normally do. So 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 4 is 12. I haven't left myself very much room, but that can then be simplified to 5 over 6 if we divide the top and the bottom by 2. Okay, so let's do that again. So the first one stays the same. We turn it into a multiplication sum, and the second one gets flipped upside down. So here we've got 4 times 8, which is 32, over 3 times 7, which is 21. Now this won't simplify in the normal sense, but we do have a top-heavy fraction, so we need to take care of that. How many 21s in 32? We can get 1 whole one. And what have we got left? We've got 11 21sts left. So 1 and 11 21sts is the answer. Now, here we've got a mixed number divided by a fraction. Before we can start the question, we need to turn the mixed number into an improper number. So this transforms into 2 times 5 is 10, plus the 2 is 12. So that's 12 fifths divided by 9 over 7. So then the 12 fifths, the first part stays the same. Turn it into a multiplication sum, and the second fraction flips over, so we have 7 on the top and 9 on the bottom. Now I'm going to show you something. You can do what's known as cross-cancelling at this stage, which will just mean that you won't have to multiply quite such big numbers. You don't have to do this, but it's worth being aware of. So we'll notice here that 12 and 9 both divide by 3. So I can divide the 12 by 3 and get 4, and the 9 by 3 to get 3. Now I've got much smaller multiplications to do. So 4 sevens is 28, and 5 threes, 15. So once again, there's nothing that divides into those, but we've got a top-heavy fraction here. So how many 15s can I get out of 28? I can get 1. And what have I got left? I have 13 15ths left over. So that's all there is to dividing fractions. So remember, you turn the second one upside down and multiply. And don't forget that if you've got a mixed number, you must turn it into an improper fraction before you start.